na ng mga pangmalakas ang video okay yung na-set up natin, ano. Yan ay order ni Sir Bert Avila Balaba ng New Zealand, mga bossing. Big shoutout sa iyo dyan, sir, at ingat palagi. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala sa Diction TV, Jameron Electronics, mga boss. Hanggang sa muli, mga bossing. Ayan ang pamalupit ang setup ng video okay. Ay, mga boss, malaki na yung ating gulong na kinabit dahil pang malakas ang video okay ito, mga bossing. Ito, tatlo lang. Takto. Yan po yung kaputol niyan, mga boss. Ayan, napuputol po kasi yan. Original setup. Yes, mga bossing, at okay na po yung ating putol na original setup. Ayan. Pang malakasan ba naman to, mga bossing? Siyempre putol po ito. Ayan. 4 na D15 po yan na original setup, mga boss. Ayan, naka-mixer pa po yan, no? 4 channel. Yuson Platinum. Ayan. Testing na po natin, sound check natin. Tonight I'm feeling love with you, in all the things I never knew. Seems to come to me somehow. Baby, love is real right now. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life, everything was wrong. Something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people. Two less lonely people. Two less lonely people in the world. Two less lonely people in the world. And it's gotta be kind. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life, where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Love is good as lonely people. Okay, ay mga bossing, at deliver na tong ating pangmalakas ang video, okay? Putol po kasi yan, mga bossing, putol yan, kaya dalawang palagay. Yan, AP Cargo, mga bossing. AP Cargo po. Ayan, Romerang, Isabela Negros Occidental ang dala nito, mga bossing. Ayan, big shout out po kay sir sa nag-order nito, mga boss. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala sa Jameron Electronics.